Time for a quick exercise. So we're again working with books and authors. Our goal here is to write a query that's going to print out an author's ID and the number of books that they have authored. We've got a table of authors and a table of books right here. Now there's a little hint on here. Even though you have an authors table, I'm not really sure you're going to need to use it. I think that all the information you need to answer this query exists inside of the books table alone. So chances are, whatever solution you come up with, probably not going to need to touch the authors table at all, probably only needs to work with books. So go ahead and give this a shot. As usual, we'll go over a solution together in the next video.